Dončič down to 3 seconds, 2 seconds. Dončič for the win. Oh yeah! Luka Dončič, the dagger!
On consecutive possessions and down the stretch, Luka gets to his spot, step back, deep three, 2 people on him. And he's showing why he is an all-star. Luka Dončič, the Don, coming up big for his ball club.
Clippers without Serge Ibaka as well as Patrick Beverley. Dončič leans into Leonard, hits the three, plus the foul.
Of Dončič to get hit and then still be able to shoot the ball.
Shot clock down to 5 again. Dončič, long three-pointer. Bang! Luka Dončič from way downtown.
Lead to the second shot, and then finally a big time, another step back three by Dončič.
Like Dončič in terms of the strength department. Shot clock at 4. Dončič with Randall on him. Long three-pointer, puts it up. Shot, he banks it in. Luka Dončič from downtown. He smiles and laughs.
So this is the bank right here is open for Dončič.
On the shot clock, Dončič for 3. In and out, in again. Luka Dončič from way downtown. It's a 10-point lead. Shot clock winding down. Kyrie, 50. Jeez. Shot clock running down. Way out there, Kyrie on him, loses Kyrie, lets it fly, nothing but nylon. Once again, I will say it for the last time, he's not a typical rookie.
That Cleveland defense was outstanding on the initial block.
Luka forced out to the wing, but then is able to adjust his drive, got inside, digs out a rebound of his own, miss, and a great roll and a foul.
Luka attacking again against a bigger player, misses the first one. And he's like a magnet when he's around the ball. It just sticks to him. 3-point opportunity for Dončič. A couple games ago, we were talking about Luka.
71-39. There have been very few highlights for the Warriors tonight. Dončič protects, banks it home, and a foul. Cool hand, Luka.
But it's how he's getting to those spots. See the patience, identifies where the defense is at, allows the play to open up. He's proving right now you don't have to be overly athletic.
Luka to take the ball out of bounds.
I guarantee you, gotta get it in.
Oh, Gibson, he stole it, saved it in. It's a free ball, and it's a Kogi throwing it away. Now 30 seconds left. Mavs are out of timeouts. Jordan got the ball back for Dallas. Luka, he'll stop, he'll pop, he'll hit. 3-ball Dallas, 2-point lead on the road.
And watch the calmness of Luka. Nobody's gonna come up to take this with you. Spectacular. I said it factor. This is what I meant. I said that at the start of the season. He has the it factor. And there you go.
Screen by DeAndre. Capella switched on to Luka. Luka with the step back 3. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Makes it a 2-point game.
There's the mismatch right here.
Now it's Luka. Deep 3 over. Luka magic!
You knew right off the bat, once you got the switch, he could do basically what he wanted, chose to step back late in the game, and made the defense pay.
But Brooklyn has players like Jeff Green and others, veterans, even Blake Griffin, so you have to trust that they can figure it out more so than necessarily a younger player in a great system. By the way, nice half-court shot right there, even though it doesn't count. Luka.
Before the game, I mean, this is pretty tough as it is right here, just the footwork, but then watch this.
Just a 1
5-second differential. Shot clock, game clock in the first quarter, and finishes. Wow, fancy finish. Quentin Grimes. Luka from beyond half court. Got it! On the big stage, Luka.
That's magic.
That is magic. It's Luka magic. The foul, double on Luka. Dinwiddie, Hardaway driving, 5 seconds left on the shot clock. Luka, deep three for a 50-piece, and a dagger!
That's good ball movement. Awesome stuff.
From Conroe, he hits the three. Luka's second career 50-point game, and a dagger.
Got to get it in. Here's Luka. Gets it away. It's gone! A Dončič dagger! He wins it three. As he was stumbling, he somehow got it to go. Whether it's a 3 or 2 is remarkable in and of itself. Let's see, was he behind the line? Let's see if he got it off in time. Watch the foot. Oh yeah, that's a 3, and he got it away in time. That's good, that's a win.
What a shot, and what a dagger for Memphis.
I mean, falling forward, stumbling out of control. He's at the rim when the ball goes through the net. His momentum carrying him forward as Luka wins it with a 3. Puts up 29 points, 25 in the second half, and a huge road win.